Now, the confusion lies because the day of Arafah is associated with Hajj. So the season of Hajj does not happen in America or in Japan. It happens only in one specific area. And on that area, the 9th of Dhul Hijjah is Friday, for example. So what to do to the people in the US and to the people of Japan when they want to fast the 9th of Dhul Hijjah? I don't understand. You see, the 9th of Dhul Hijjah in Mecca, in Arafat, is on a Friday. But according to the moon sighting, in these countries, the US or in Japan, their 9th of Hijjah, according to their moon sighting, according to their Hijrah calendar, might be on a Thursday or on a Saturday, other than the day in Arafat actually. So which day should they fast? They must not abide by Friday, which is in Mecca region. They must abide by their Hijri calendar, because their 9th of the Hijjah is on a Thursday or on a Saturday, according to their moon sighting. And if they fast their 9th of the Hijjah, they will attain the expiation and the forgiveness and the erasing of the sins of 2 years. But if they don't fast the 8th of the Hijjah, for example, if Friday coincides with them to be Eid, so what is it they're going to do? Change the whole calendar? No. They have to abide by their moon sighting, and I hope this answers your question.